Today I will share with you how can you use simple framework that converts when you promote your own product or business. How to sell without sounding salesy. Have you ever felt uncomfortable promoting your own product? You know your product works. You know it helps people. You believe in it. But the moment you try to sell it, something feels wrong. It feels pushy. It feels awkward. So you soften your message. Instead of clearly presenting your offer, you say things like, maybe check it out if you are interested. And then you wonder, why aren't people buying? If that sounds familiar, this video will change how you think about selling. The real problem. Most people think the problem is their own product, their pricing, their audience. But the real issue is something different. You are trying to convince people instead of connecting with them. Many people believe selling means pressure, but real selling is about clarity. And when you avoid clarity because you are afraid of sounding salesy, you create confusion. And confused people do not buy. And the hidden cost. When your messaging is unclear, visitors leave your page, warm leads lose interest. You start lowering your price and you begin doubting your offer. But the biggest loss is this. Some people actually need your help, your solution, but they never get it. Not because of your product is bad, but because your message wasn't clear enough. Sell through story. Instead of starting with product features, start with relatable scenario. For example, imagine waking up knowing your marketing is working without constantly chasing clients. That simple sentence creates a vision. It connects emotionally. Stories reduce resistance. When people recognize themselves in the message or in your information, they lean instead of pulling away. Amplify the problem. Next, highlight the cost of staying stuck. Ask a simple question. What happens if nothing changes in the next 6 months? More frustration, more wasted effort, more uncertainty. Urgency isn't manipulation. Manipulation. Urgency is clarity about consequences. Present the solution. Now introduce your offer. Put but position it as a bridge. Why? A bridge between when they are now, their pain point, and when they want to be. The solution, result. Instead of saying, this program includes 12 modules, say, you will finally know exactly what to say when presenting your offer. Because people do not buy features, they buy transformation. How and why your product can help them. They buy result. Build trust. People buy when they feel safe. So strengthen your message with testimonials, results, case studies, real examples. Then reduce risk. You can offer money back guarantee, free previews, clear expectations. Also handle objections early. For example, even if you are just starting, even if you do not have a big audience yet, trust, trust removes friction, and friction kills conversations. Natural call to action. This is where many people get uncomfortable. Instead of sounding pushy, keep it calm and clear. Try something like this. If this feels like the solution you have been looking for along, the next step is simple. Then tell them exactly what to do. One action, one direction. Clarity is not pushy, clarity is helpful. Yes. Closing. Selling isn't about pushing people, it is about guiding them. When you connect emotionally, clarify the problem, present the solution, build trust, provide a clear next step, you do not sound salesy. You sound helpful, and helpful messages convert. This is the information I have shared with you. Viewers, thank you for watching. If you want the right copy that sells or converts like crazy and works for you always, for your product or your business, download it. There is a link in the comment section and use it. I'm sure to double your benefit. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.